The FTX explosion, implosion, depending on how you look at it, has been a catastrophic event in crypto. If you're in crypto, you know this. And what's happening around this is that it has created so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the minds of just the average investor, probably, quite frankly, probably whales as well, that it's just got everybody running scared away from crypto. And so the question of how long will this contagion situation continue for the fallout of FTX is worth talking about. How long do we have to continue to go through this? And I think we've still got more to go. Okay. And so that's what we're going to cover. And we're also going to talk about, the FTX collapse in the context of kind of all things crypto and all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below. And because I cover crypto with one goal in mind, I want to help you navigate crypto, help you know what's going on, and just help you be more informed so that you can make better choices and better decisions as it relates to crypto. Okay, so this is an updated list of big names impacted by the FTX collapse. And this is really a good framework for this discussion that we need to have. We all know about BlockFi, basically done. Solana Foundation has just had major exposure with Solana, obviously. Arkham Intelligence, that's another one. Salt, the lending borrowing platform. Genesis and Gemini was the one that came out yesterday, maybe done. Genesis, massive exposure to the FTX fallout contagion. Oxygen, this is others who have already disclosed. These are investment funds. The Amber Group has come out and said that they have exposure. Sequoia Capital, so they made $150 million investment. That's pretty much gone. I heard somewhere that Sequoia was writing off about $250 million just writing it off. Just it's done. It's gone. Money, vapor, gone. Galaxy Digital, 76 million. Multicoin Capital. It just goes on. I'm Galoy Capital, 40 million stranded on there. Paradigm, they invested 290 million. There's lending. That's Genesis. We know about that. That's one I just mentioned. Hodl Not, again, exposure there. Celsius, this just goes on. Obviously, platforms, crypto.com had less than 10 million, but there was exposure. Kraken had just a tiny bit and really nothing worth mentioning. Huobi had 18.1 million there, plus more than that actually right there. Projects, Layer Zero, the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so how long will this go on? I think that we're still in the early to kind of mid stages of this, late early mid stage, right? If you will, if you can't want to have a timeline. I think we've got another month or so, or maybe more. But what has happened here is trust. Trust has been just demolished in all things crypto. People don't trust centralized exchanges anymore. They don't trust the big ones. They don't trust anybody. And I get it. Okay. I applaud some of the centralized exchanges like Kraken and those guys who've come out and Binance who've come out and said, hey, use us to on-ramp and off-ramp fiat and do your trading here, but don't keep your crypto on our exchanges, own your own keys kind of thing. Right. But I think we are not done. Okay. And so drop in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to continue to cover FTX for you. And I will start doing as many videos as you guys want me to do. Okay. Because this is something that has just impacted crypto and has been pervasive in crypto. And it's created all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And it is going to keep us kind of pushed down for the foreseeable future. Ironically, in the macro scenario with inflation, we're getting good news there. Yes, inflation is still high, but at least it's come down from 8+% to 7.7. Here in Texas, at least, looks like fuel prices are coming down a little bit. It looks like the inflation thing is easing just a little bit to give us maybe some relief, because it's been inflation and all the fallout from that ran everybody off for the entire year of 2022. Okay. And then we have on top of this FTX scenario that has just been horrific and continue to be that. We still got some ways to go. So thanks for your time. Drop in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to cover FTX for you and keep you updated. See ya.